Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are tackling a classic and popular coding interview problem, reversing nodes in K-group. This problem tests your understanding of linked list manipulation and pointer management. Let's first understand the goal. You are given a linked list and an integer. K. The task is to reverse the nodes of the list, K nodes at a time, and return the modified list. If the number of nodes is not a multiple of K, we need to decide what to do with the leftovers. Here are the key rules. You split the list into groups of size K. Inside each group, the order of nodes must be reversed. Importantly, the connection between these groups must remain intact. Also, if the last group has fewer than K nodes, it should remain as it is. The first step in our algorithm is to verify if we even have K nodes to process. We traverse forward from our current position. If we find K nodes, we proceed. If we reach the end of the list before counting K nodes, we stop. Once we have identified a valid group, we reverse it. This uses the standard linked list reversal logic. We use 3 pointers: previous, current, and next. We iterate K times, flipping the next pointer of the current node to point to the previous node. After reversing a group, the node that was originally the head becomes the tail. This new tail needs to point to whatever comes next. In a recursive approach, it points to the result of the function call for the next segment of the list. What happens at the end? If we have a group of size K, we reverse it. But if we have fewer than K nodes left, say 2 nodes when K is 3, we leave them exactly as they are. We do not touch their order. Here is the high-level flow. We start the function. We check if there are K nodes. If no, we return the head immediately. If yes, we reverse those K nodes and then recursively call the function for the rest of the list, linking the result back to our current group. Let's look at the efficiency. The time complexity is big O of n, where n is the total number of nodes, because we visit each node at most twice. The space complexity is big O of n divided by k due to the recursion stack, or big O of 1 if you implement this iteratively. To summarize, always check if you have enough nodes first. Use the standard reversal logic for the subgroup. Carefully connect the new tail to the next group, and remember to handle the remaining nodes by leaving them alone. This structure ensures a correct solution.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.